This is Joseph Drust, and welcome back to another episode of Ask ZBrush. So we had a question sent in asking, is it possible to align the camera to a flat surface on my model? So to start off, I just have ZBrush loaded up, and I just have an example model file here loaded in. And the question is asking about aligning a surface to the camera. So let's say with the model here, maybe I want to come through and I want to align, say, one of these flat surfaces on the model to the camera. Now I could try to do this manually by just rotating around, but it's going to be hard to get that surface directly perpendicular to the camera. So if you have upgraded to at least ZBrush 2021, there is a feature inside the ZModeler brush that will allow you to select a poly and align the camera to that poly. So first I want to go and select the ZModeler brush. So come over to the brush palette over here and open this up. And then down at the bottom, I'm going to select the ZModeler brush. Now with this brush selected, if I hover over this current model, you'll see it's going to be very hard to select a poly because this model is really dense. So this model I'm sculpting on right now contains 8.5 million polygons. So first I want to go through and I want to tailor the ZModeler brush to only use this functionality that's going to set a poly to be perpendicular to the camera. So I'm going to go to the tool palette over here and I'm just going to grab the Poly Mesh 3D Star. Now if I hover over this model, since it is extremely low in polygons, I'll be able to isolate the poly, the edge, and the point functionality of the ZModeler brush. So first I want to come through and hover over an edge and then press spacebar to go in the ZModeler Edge Action menu. In here, I want to set the edge action to do nothing. Then I want to hover over a point and press the spacebar to go in the ZModeler Point Action menu. In here, I want to select this action to do nothing. And then finally, I want to hover over a poly. And then in here, I want to choose the poly action of Set Camera Perpendicular. Now with this set, now if I come across any poly on my model and click, this is now going to take that poly and it's going to align that poly's surface to the camera. So as you can see with the Poly Mesh 3D Star here, as I keep clicking on polys, it's always going to take the poly I click on and align it to the camera plane. So now I'm going to go back to my million polygon model here of the arms and the gun. And now I want to align this perpendicular to the camera. So since I've modified the ZModeler brush to make the point action and the edge action set to do nothing, if I click anywhere on a flat surface, it's going to automatically perform that set camera perpendicular. So you can see as I click there, even if I might have clicked on a poly or an edge, those options of the ZModeler brush are going to do nothing and it's going to default to that poly action, which is set camera perpendicular. So now I've just gone through and aligned this surface to the camera. Now I can do this on any surface. So if I want this one, just simply click. This will now align that. Let's say I want to align it to this one, click. And align to that one, can align to say this surface, and you just go through and keep aligning to these different areas on your mesh. So this is extremely handy if you want to apply, say, some alpha detailing, and you want to make sure that that surface is perpendicular to the camera. So to recap, if you want to align a flat area of your model, just select the ZModeler brush, and then with the ZModeler brush, make sure you set the edge action to do nothing, the point action to do nothing, and then set the poly action to set camera perpendicular. This will allow you to come through and then click on a flat area of your model and it will align that flat area to the camera. So as long as you set your ZModeler brush up to those specifications, you'll be able to use this with million polygon models as well. And so if I come over here and just click on a flat area, this will automatically be aligned to the camera. Then you can come in and sculpt with that surface being perpendicular to the camera. So if you have any other questions related to ZBrush pipelines or processes, please use the hashtag AskZBrush on Twitter. Happy ZBrushing!